This is a strange attractor. I'm dealing with art, philosophy and chaos theory. What you just saw was the title image of the Fractal Art Calendar 2023, which is still available in the Etsy shop, and you can get it with a 10% rebate when using the coupon code I Love Chaos. When you get this image calendar, you will see intriguing fractal images like this one on your wall. This one is one of my very likings because it's a 2D image made by Carey Mitchell from the United States. He's a fractal fanatic since the 90s when FractInt MS-DOS was the only available program in the software cupboard. And I want to compare this image to last year's Bernard Bittler image, where he had this collage of the beautiful woman. Why? Because it's somehow 2D and somehow constructed. In this case, we have a plane filling curve, which is per definition a fractal, and those various changing colors really give interesting impressions when you look at it from further behind or such. Enjoy! Get your calendar now! See you next time!